Don't panic. AMD stock bullish case is still rock solid. Let's talk about it, because if it is, then we need to prepare ourselves for where price is going to go. If it's not, then we're not going to have a rock solid case. Let's talk about it, because I did a price prediction AMD. You guys can see it right here. Market definitely exceeded our expectations after earnings was released. Something that we talked about. Very good. 5.5% there. If you work out the market on the close of Friday, 14.07. All right, cool. Now let's talk about this, because it's a great thing to see AMD not trade below this downtrend line. The market actually broke it to the upside. Fantastic. Tells you that there's a sentiment shift occurring in this stock right now. Okay. So we already know where the buyers are. I've reiterated numerous times that buyers in AMD needed to come and hold the market. They did that. Cool. Now the next agenda would be for us to figure out, okay, we got the buyers. Where in the world are those sellers at now? Where are they at? Seeing that the market broke this last resistance area here, I don't think the sellers are there. So sellers could be here for AMD, or they could be here. Now I can see these 2 days in AMD, so that could be the third area to where we can see sellers hit the market. Okay, so these are the 3 areas that I am going to look towards seeing the market in AMD get hit with selling. All right, right there. So let's look at this on a different time frame to see, okay, we got these 3 areas. Do you think the market is going to stop at 115 and come back down? Do you think the market is going to stop at 120, 119.50 and come back down? The spread of the price bar actually gives you that much information, because this spread right here on November the 1st actually tells you, well, this closest area of selling may not be impactful, because the demand is so strong that it will bust through that $115 price resistance area. Take a look at AMD on the 2-day chart. Earnings, very healthy price bar. Next one, small spread, but the market is still looking kind of healthy. People are trying to take some of the profit that they bought when the market in AMD is trading around $95, right? Here it is on the 3-day chart. Again, that indicator of strength was triggered on the 3-day time frame. Here it is, 8 hours and 49 minutes on this current 3-day price bar. Are we still bullish? So far we are. Take a look at AMD on the 5. Look at the spread of this 5-day bar. Given the 5-day time frame and the spread of this 5-day printed price bar right here, do you think 115, 116 is going to be a problem? Or do you think it's going to come to like 119, 120? Okay. What about the weekly chart? See, you kind of get that different viewpoint. Now it kind of seems as if, well, 115 may not stop the buyers in the market in AMD because of this massive spread. Look at the indicator of strength also triggered. So maybe not 115. 119? 120? Yes. I would even say maybe 122 is where the market in AMD is attempting to go. Look at this on the 2 weeks. Look at this. You guys can see here on this 2-weekly price bar, you would expect the market in AMD to fall below $94. But then in the next 2-weekly price bar, it didn't, went right back up. And then you have this 2-weekly price bar where the market tested $94, $95 again, and we closed at the very high. This is a very bullish stock. Okay. Hopefully you guys got that, because I am going to look forward to AMD going higher in price. Now, I'll give you my 3 targets. First one is right here. 115.25. 2.63%. Second target is going to be around 119.50. I don't think 115.25 is going to impact and stop the market and AMD from going up. So maybe the second target at 119.50, or our third target At 122, it's 8.5% move higher. Okay, so I'm actually finished. This is what we're going to look forward to into the market at AMD now. The greater range of the trading channel for AMD, pretty wide range too. You guys think about it. We might have to lower our range once we see how high those sellers hit the mark before the sellers come in. And then I want the market to at least hold like 101.50 for support. That's it. I am done. You're up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.